Hi, I'm Sarah here at JDS. I'm the fabrication supervisor. Here's our new 32-ounce Polar Camel water bottles. I'm going to show you just a quick lasering tutorial on it. These are going to show the logo right here, and these lids are always going to line up the same. So when putting it in your laser, you're going to want to mark if you want to put it on this front or say the side or the back. Quick little thing we do is just put a little piece of tape kind of right where our center is going to be. That way we know where our logo is. We want to know kind of where your size is and where you're going to put it. It does have the removable straw. You're going to want to remove this when you go to laser it. So we're going to put it in our laser kind of opposite of what the normal is, because your clip isn't going to be able to hold it right here. So we'll place it in our laser here. Like I said, it's going to be the opposite, so we're facing this way. This is going to be our center. I'm using center engraving here, so I'm able to freely move, knowing that I'm right in the center where I want it, and then I can place it kind of the vertical where I want it centered. We want it level here in about a 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch in from this side. Then we will close it here and go. So when we're finished, we're going to want to clean it the same way we do with our other Polar Camels with our LA Awesome. So just a quick spray of the LA Awesome, and we'll wipe it clean. So when we put our lid back on and we go to tighten it, it's going to line right back up with this. Like I said, these lids are going to go back on the same way each time. Along with our bottles, these bottle boots come with our laser bowl silicone. They're removable. You can place them. It's easier to laser when they're on the bottle in the laser the same way. They come in the same colors of our silicone, and then our bottles come in all 17 colors of our normal Polar Camel lines. Hope you guys give them a try.